over the Polo to paint. I make like a partnership with a guy. I gave him a budget, of course, to make the job, the paint job in the car. And now the car is painted and it's ready, and I'm gonna get it right now. The initial idea was to film and make a little bit of footage with him, but unfortunately he had a problem, and I just need to pick up the car and he have to leave. So I can't film, I can't make any footage. I would love to film my reaction. I will try to film that, but I will not speak a lot with him because it's really in hurry and I don't want to disturb her. So I'm gonna pick up the car. You will see the car at the same time as me, because the only thing I saw it was the paint preparation, because he sent me few pictures of the preparation, you know. He sent me to the car already painted but masked, but the paint was not dry, and I don't know what to expect, to be honest. So you're gonna see my reaction, of course, but unfortunately I cannot film with him. For those that are in Portugal and need a paint job in your car, paint all the car, just a part of the car, I don't know, leave in the comments. I will put you in contact with Filip. So Filip is starting his business. It's really recent, but I saw a few jobs that he made, and I think he made a really good job. So that's the reason I sent the car to Filip, and afterwards, of course, he made a good price, which, of course, you know, I have a budget. Like I already spent a lot of money in the car, and I cannot spend tons and tons of money in the paint. He didn't finish the process because the budget was not enough, of course. But I will do that. I will sandpaper the new paint and polish, of course. But that will be probably the last video that I'm gonna upload of the Volkswagen Polo. I will do all the preparation, all the details to list the car for sale. But between that, I really need to finish a few items that I have. So you can have an idea. This car, I checked more than 100 items. A few of them are maintenance, like oil filters, you know, that kind of things. Others are some concerns that I have, and I checked, but it's missing a few, and I will upload some problems that I'm gonna solve between the last video, of course, which will be the preparation of the car for sale, the full detail of the car, and of course finish the paint. So you're gonna see my reaction for the first time seeing the car after being painted. So stay there.
In my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say